In this video, I'll show you how to use Mostbet app in Nepal. This is very easy. I can subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So after downloading and creating a Mostbet account, you have to log in. Once you log in, this is the home page. Now you want to use it. There are many things you can do on Mostbet. You can play casino, you can play sports, you can play live casino, and so on and so forth. So if you want to play casino, you come over to casino. If you want to play sports, you come over to sports. You want to play live casino, come over there. There's esport, there is poker, there's toto, and there is aviator. Anyone that you want to play. And then if you go to sport, you can go to pre-game, and I'm going to show you the various matches that are upcoming. So you can go to football, and these are the football matches that are upcoming. There are Champions League matches, so you can choose anyone that you want to bet on. Real Madrid and AC Milan. So you choose on W1 that you're betting for Real Madrid to win. Choose on W2 you're betting on AC Milan to win. And that's how to use Melbet app in Nepal.